One of the best things about Django is that it comes with a pre-built admin interface, which basically means that you don't have to design a complete admin area for your projects. It already has one. So there's another way like you can access it. So just type in /admin and you'll see that we have a username and password option. But why is this username and password even over here? We didn't even create a user. So in order to work with this, we need to create a super user. So let me show you how you can create that one. Let me go back to this home page over here, and in our project, just maximize the terminal, and I'm gonna close this. Okay, so I'm inside the my site over here, and what you can do is you can say first thing is Python manage.py, and you're gonna say migrate and hit enter. So this is going to apply the migration which was already there. You saw that username and password, so those settings were already set up inside Django. So all we did is that we migrated that into the database. Okay, so next thing is that we need to create a super user. So I'm going to type in Python manage.py. I'm going to say create super user and hit enter. So it's asking me for a username. I'm going to set the username to admin and hit enter. I don't want an email address. I'm just going to hit enter. And then we need to set up a password. So for now, I'm going to set the password as admin and hit enter again. And again, we need to confirm the password, that is admin, and hit enter. So it says that the password is similar to the username and it is too short. So it has all the validation stuff set up, pre-built. Everything is already there. So I'm going to say yes for now. So since it's in development version, so I can use the easiest password. But when you're going in production version, make sure you change the password to the much more advanced part. Okay, so I'm going to hit AS and hit enter. Okay, so now the user is created. So we can run the server now and hit enter. Okay, so now you don't see that red error messages. We simply see that our Django project is up and running. Let's get to our browser here. I'm going to hit refresh, and then we're going to say /admin. And our username which we created was admin, and the password is admin. And then you can click on the login button. Now here you can see that we have the admin dashboard all set up. So we have the Django administration title here. So we have the admin username. And also here you can see that we have the users option. So I can click over here and you can see that we have the admin details. So all and everything is already set up and good to go. We can just set this up and we can create our apps, we can register our apps, and we can go live in no time.